In the brilliant age of technology, it feels so good when something so big in your pocket. I am talking about this pocket house pipe. Old age pipe are a hassle, but silver bullet pipe are hassle free. See how the pipe turned from pocket to super size. Farewell to the good of the old age. Feel free to drag and drop anywhere you like, oath the guarantee. With the people, the water line can be drawn away and little drunk. Note that no matter how hard you try to break this pipe, it's not possible to break it. So you consider the good side of you and your family. So throw away the old silver pocket house. Oh shit.